One of the main skills we use in chemistry is called stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is really just a fancy name for the math involved in calculating quantities of reactants and products. Let's start with the major new concept, mole-to-mole ratios. Balanced chemical equations, like the one in our last video, contain a recipe with the perfect proportions of molecules built into the stoichiometric coefficients of the balanced chemical equation. For every 2 moles of the octane molecule, we need 25 moles of oxygen gas molecules. But let's say we actually have a more interesting number, like 23.7 moles. How many moles of oxygen gas would you need to fully combust that amount of octane? Well, we can set it up using dimensional analysis. I know that I need 2 moles of octane to react with 25 moles of oxygen gas. I can multiply across the top and divide by the 2 on the bottom to get 296 moles of oxygen gas after rounding for sig figs. The same ratio process works for converting between any other chemical in the reaction. It doesn't matter if it's reactant to reactant, reactant to product, or product to product. It's all the same math. Most practice problems are built around this core concept, but they are rarely this simple.